Great. Yes. So Maximums are a student. So technical trainer. So okay. Yeah, student. Okay. Fine. Chaitali Bharat. All, please welcome. So a warm welcoming all, first of all. It's a great evening to you all because you're going to be learn something today. Okay. Welcome, Satyarana. Thank you for your introductions. Your Triple E students, no issues. You can also study the AI. Okay, Jayashree. Then you are studying or student? So everyone are an active, right? So it's very happy to see that you are all are active because it is easy to interact with your trainers even. So if you are interactive, the trainer are easy to go ahead the trainings and go ahead the taking the classes. So Srivardhan, welcome Srivardhan. Arpita Dash, welcome you. Okay, let's start our introductions. So hi everyone, my name is Mobin Bano. So here you're going to be take the AI, so artificial intelligence webinar. So in these sessions, I will tell you what are going to be see that. First of all, yeah, that this is the webinar overview. I just explained you the webinar overview. First, first the participation instructions, what you have done all now. So maybe you are all very active also. Maybe it is easy to give the sessions to your interactive people. So next is the webinar content. It will be 45 minutes and then 20 minutes queries. If you have any doubts, the trainer, please ask your queries by chat. So unmute and definitely he will be explaining you and whatever that questions you are asking and related to webinar. So next 5 minutes, it's a student guide that I will explain you what is the student guide we are provided from our end. Next 5 minutes, that the APT offers, that is the AllPro offers. What are all the offers and what are the course we are having currently, and also the details we will explain you clearly. So last 5 minutes, the overall sessions, queries and feedback. So feedback form will be provided at the end of the sessions only. So you all be active in that webinar, as well as please interact with your trainer if you have any queries and feedback. So I will introductions our Mr. Himanshu is going to be take the AI webinar to you. He is well experienced. He is trained more than 200 students. Hi Himanshu, can you hear me?
Hi Banu, good evening.
Yeah,
yes,
hi.
I'm able to hear you.
Okay, just I make you that co-host. So please share your screen.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, go ahead, please.
So hi all, I'm Himanshu, and first, could you please confirm if my voice is loud and clear and my screen is visible to all of you? Can I get some response on the chat? Okay, awesome. Got it. Got it. Got it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the volume response, guys. Awesome. So, as you know, I'm Himanshu. Currently, I'm working as a data scientist and I'm associated with AllPro trainings for AI trainings here. I have been provided more than 200 students this AI training. AI means it will be including all your data science, machine learning, deep learning, and all kind of thing, right? So this is a quick introduction about me. And in this webinar, we are going to discuss about the artificial intelligence actually. So as I have seen in the responses, most of the students are, most of the participants are from either they are from college or they are from some courses, or like some of working professionals are also there. So I'll be making this webinar kind of a in kind of a way so it will be profitable for you all, right? Whether you are a student or you are a working professional, right? So I think we can start with this sessions. Okay. And if you have any quick general queries, we can take it right now in next 1 minute. Otherwise, I'll be starting with the webinar here. And then after this session, I'll be taking some of the questions from you as well, and I will be responding on top of that. Okay. So is there any questions for me, guys? Okay, so no questions, only one response I got. Okay, okay. So, yep. So let's start with the artificial intelligence. If I talk about this AI, right now, I don't think I have to elaborate what is AI, right? We are seeing everything. Whenever you go to any kind of a sector, it is not like a IT, it is everywhere. If you talk about mechanical things, if you talk about pharma, if you talk about your medical sciences, pharmacy, everywhere, right? So this is there. So like I think 2 or 3 months back, you have heard of ChatGPT, right? That is a part of AI. That is a generative AI. You are asking some questions on the chat and it is responding very quickly, right? So how it is processing itself, that I also telling you in this session, right? So before jumping to the things like most of the things about this AI, I just wanted to make it clear, like what is the difference between this AI, ML, DL, and DS? These 4 terms generally we heard of, right? AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and data science, right? But no one knows like what is the major or minor, you can say, difference between these 3-4 components, right? So if I talk about AI, means artificial intelligence, it means it is a level of technology where the intelligence is somehow similar to the human intelligence, right? Means whatever the intelligence we are creating right now, whatever the intelligence you are creating, that intelligence should be somewhere similar to the human intelligence. Right? We have so many systems there, they are so much intelligent, but they are not as our human mind. Our mind is the best thing which we have, because we have one particular thing that is most precious, that is a decision making, right? We have that power. Like human being have that power, that animals have power, or insects, or if you look like you're around, like a mosquito have that decision power, right? If you attack on that mosquito, he like it will be somewhere try to escape, right? So somewhere that decision making thing is a core thing that we are trying to achieve using this artificial intelligence, right? So these all the things, AI, machine learning, deep learning, data science, these all the things are somewhere a subset of each other, or you can say they are part of AI, or they are you can say a ball which is inside a bucket. Okay, so you can take it like that. Okay, so the thing is, if you talk about like how these all things are processing itself, how we are creating these models, how this ChatGPT is working right now. So once we will be complete this particular session, you will able to understand like how this chat GPT is responding, right? So in this particular way of you can say teaching a model. When I say model, please bear with me. I'll be telling you what is model here. In artificial intelligence, we have a kind of a server, right? Server, or you can say laptop. You have a laptop, right? Laptop means it have a CPU or GPU. CPU, right? That CPU is same as your mind. As a human, we have mind. As a laptop or a server, we have that particular computer or whatever you say, that particular system have that mind as a GPU or CPU, right? So we are trying to train that particular CPU or GPU or processing unit in a particular manner. So if I try to ask some question from that particular system, it will be able to respond according to the training, according to the learnings, right? So we have these all the things. If I talk about AI, machine learning, deep learning, and data science, these all the things are somewhere balls which is inside a bucket. Okay, let me elaborate 4 things separately. What is artificial intelligence? Means it is a big bucket. Okay, in that bucket all things are there as a ball. Okay, so you are trying to achieve a human intelligence here. When I talk about the machine learning is again a subset of AI. Means here we will be having data and we'll try to train our model. Once we train our model, when I say model, means a kind of a mind. Okay, we have a mind and we are trying to train that mind. Okay, so how we are training that mind? We are giving some data to that particular model or that particular mind, so it can train itself and it can predict something. Okay, just take a very good example. When a newborn child is there, or you can say a 4-year child is there, right? His mind is blank. He don't know anything, right? So what we do, if we want to teach him something, let's say that particular newborn or 4-year child is a kind of a kid, is a kind of a CPU, okay, CPU. So that kid don't know about any particular subject thing or any particular thing, right? They are just unaware of about these things. So what we do, if we want to teach them something, we give them some data. When I say data, data means information. That is not a CSV file or something. Okay, not a DB file. It is only a information. When I say information means, okay, when I say kid, okay, don't run fast, otherwise you will fall down. Okay, don't run fast, otherwise you will fall down. So what kid try to do? Generally, there is a habit of kid. If you tell them not to do, they will do it definitely. So that is a reinforcement learning. So what they do actually, they try to, if you tell them like don't run fast, otherwise you will fall down. Okay, so don't run fast. That is your information. That is your data, and you're giving that data to your model. Model means that kid, means that particular CPU or GPU thing, right? So once you have given that data to that mind, it is able to train, like he is able to understand, okay, if I run fast, I'll fall down. So I'll fall down. That is a prediction thing, right? That he has already learned, okay, in the past. So whenever in the future he will be running fast, like there will be a message in their mind that, okay, I'm going to fall down, right? So this is a learning thing, right? You are giving the data to your model or your kid or your system or your CPU, GPU, and that particular thing is able to train something on their mind, or they are able to grab something, they are able to learn something. And after the learning is completed, they are able to predict it in the future, right? What they will be predicting, if they are running fast, they will predict, okay, I can fall down. So they will, like, he will be stopping down, right? So the learning, always I'm saying, guys, whenever you all are here because you are so much enthusiastic about AI, right? So whenever you will in future, you are going to learn these technologies, AI, machine learning, deep learning, or data science, try to connect each and every concept with our human nature, our human intelligence, right? That all things has been somewhere that all things has been somewhere, you can say, connected with our human minds, right? So they have, like, researchers have built their algorithms in a particular manner so that like they are inspired, like they first try to read so much, they did research so much about the neuroscience, our minds, how it is working. Then according to that working, they have created these algorithms. So when I talk about machine learning, majorly you will be having data and you will be trying to predict something, or you will be trying to get some pattern on top of that data. This is a machine learning thing, right? Then we have the deep learning. What is deep learning? Deep learning is a modern AI. Actually, what is going to happen here? We will be given some data. First thing here, we will be having some data, and that data will be trained on neural networks, right? What is neural network? Neural network is inspired from the neurons, and neurons are the most precious thing in our mind that is helping us to learn more, right? So that particular, you can say, like how our mind is learning, doing the computation and all those things using the neurons, axon, dendron, all things are there, right? So that deep learning neural network, that thing is inspired from that human mind, right? So here majorly we'll be having a neural network. We'll try to train our neural networks here, and then according to that, we will be giving the data, and data will be trained to that network, and then we'll be predicting something, right? And data science, when I say data science, so here like a major part will be dealing with data analysis, data preparation, and data segregation, and most of the part will be there for the data analysis and data segregation and data ingestion. All these parts will be there, and somehow there are some topic which is intersecting with the machine learning also, deep learning also, and AI also, right? So if you look into this particular image itself, how it is here, if you see here and here and here, what is going to happen? These all the things are common, right? Machine learning is subset of AI, deep learning is subset of AI, and data science is having some part of machine learning, deep learning, and all these things are there, right? So this is how actually these all the terms being defined, and they, like, each and every term having their own specification. No one can replace anything. Somehow you will be seeing some like some trainers are saying, or some students are saying, like, AI is going to replace everything, deep learning is going to replace everything, and machine learning is going to, neural networks is there, so machine learning, it is traditional right now. No, there are special specification for each and every algorithms, and they will be used according to your data and all scenarios, right? So these are the difference between all four terms, and knowing this thing is so much important, right? I hope it is clear for you all. Then we have this thing. This thing is called your learning process, actually. How our AI system, or when I say AI system or machine learning system or a deep learning system, don't be confused, guys. All kind of technologies will be having continuous deployment, and that continuous deployment will be considering your all 8 steps. These are the all 8 steps, right? This thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is happening here actually? Problem definition. Okay, so whenever you try to build some project on AI, you first try to find out the problem, right? What is the problem? So let's say a problem is there. There is a parking lot, and what is happening actually at that parking lot? Every Sunday, every Saturday, like bikes are stolen somewhere, right? Like and we are not able to grab it. But CCTV camera is there, everything is there, but we are not able to catch it. So what we will do actually? That is a problem definition. So problem definition is there. Okay, first point. Then we have some data ingestion part. Data ingestion means grab the data, try to find out the data. Okay, try to find out the data. So how you will be finding out the data? Means real-time data you have to find out. So how you will be finding the real-time data here? In our case, you will be looking into the videos. that videos which is already stored, right? So you will be getting that videos. Okay, once you got your videos, you will be pre-processing your videos, whatever the extra things are there, like color, you can say like brightness, contrast, or you can say tilting thing, or data augmentation is there. So many data pre-processings are there. Means data preparations means if your data is having some errors, or it is missing values, different kind of things are there. We'll be covering it when we'll be covering our this process, this all the process. So data pre-processing means preparation, or data pre-processing means somewhere you will be analyzing your data and like cleaning your data. You will be extracting the information, the useful information from that particular video, right? Once this is done, you'll be doing the data segregation. When I say data segregation, it means, let's say if you have 100 videos, or I'm just taking an example, guys, please don't take it seriously. It is an example. Let's say we have 100 videos, right? We try to find something from one video. So what we'll do, whenever we will be training our model, training means learning. Okay, so take an example. Actually, when we were in schools, right, kid school, you can say 4th or 5th or 3rd standard. So our teacher tell us like go and learn the table of 7, 8, right, like that. So what they do, they give a kind of a table. They write table on our notebook, like 7, 1 just 7, 14, 21, 28, like this. Okay, so what we do actually, this is data is prepared, this is a data. And now our mind, that is a model, we are again and again trying to like repeat itself. We are trying to repeat itself. Okay, so repeating like 7, 1 just 7, 14, 21, these like this. So by doing this, we are trying to learn something. We are just memorizing it, right? So once we learn it, so that data is called our training data. Okay, so when we learned it and we went to the teacher and told like, okay, sir, I have learned this thing. So they try to ask you, what is the 7:8? That is a testing thing, testing data. So what they do, we have some training data that will be used for the training, and there will be some testing data that will be used to test the performance of your model, right? So that testing part will not be given to the machine learning or deep learning or AI models. Only the training set will be given to the models, right? Once it is given to models, model will be trained, and then we'll be doing the evaluation. Evaluation means we'll be doing the testing, examination only, right? So unseen data, that is test data, will be given to your model and will check the accuracy, how it is working, right? And once we found out like how it is working, we'll be deploy that particular model. When I say deploy, so deploy means you have created a model, right? You have trained a model, and model is ready right now, and you can utilize that particular model to anywhere on your web development projects. Let's say if you want to create a facial recognition problem, like if you are uploading some image or you're capturing some image, so it is able to tell your name. Okay, that is a problem. So how you will be doing that? You will be opening your you will be creating a web page. Okay, and you will be integrating your web page with that particular machine learning model, right? That model which we have trained. So once that model is integrated with this particular web page, and if you open that web page and you upload your photo, at the back end, that model will be telling you, okay, what is your name, whatever the name is there, right? It will be telling me, if I upload my image, it will be telling like he is Himanshu, right? So that is called deployment. Deployment means in real time we use, how we are using that model in real time. Okay, real time actually. And then we have the performance monitoring. That means in real time how it is working. So this all 8 steps are being used every you can say each and every companies, whoever is working on AI or data science things, right? So this is all about the processes actually which is being followed. Okay, so this is the main architecture of your any kind of, you can say any kind of learnings or AI things, right? Whenever if you discuss about Chat GPT, how this Chat GPT is working actually. So they have trained a machine learning model. We have something, just a second. Here somewhere we have something. Just a second. So yeah, no issues. So let me open this one and I will write here only. Okay. So if I talk about Chat GPT, okay, how this Chat GPT is working. This is a part of AI, right? This is a part of AI that is called GANs, generative AI, right? Okay. So what is happening here? What is happening here? They have collected so much amount of data, okay, and they have trained a model. When I say model, please understood it as a system, okay, as a system. And as a human, it is a human mind only, right? So there is a blank system and they have given this data to this particular model. Okay, model, or you can say a blank thing, or you can say a algorithm as well. I'm not using a jargons so that you will not confuse here. Just taking a very real-time example. Let's say you have a kind of a blank mind or model here. You are having the data, you're fetching this data to this particular model, and this model will be able to learn something from that particular data. So what these guys in OpenAI did, they have collected so much amount of data in this century. Actually, the data is so much precious. Actually, they have somewhere found out so much amount of data, like you can say the all over internet's data. They have just stored it. They have pre-processed it in the years and years. Once they have pre-processed that data, the data is cleaned, data is having a good information. They have inbuilt algorithms or machine or models, you can say, that models, they have fetches that particular data to that particular model. And once they have trained this particular model to 4 to 5 to like I guess 9 months, or kind of 4 to 9 months. Actually, it's a continuous process. So they have trained this model in this long period, and after that they have after that this model is ready for real-time use. So now they have created a simple web page, and they have integrated this particular model to that web page. And now you are able to just open that particular portal, and you are mentioning your queries on top of that, and it is able to respond you. That is, they are responding, right? They are checking your inputs, and according to your inputs, they are giving you the output. That's all. How this is how it is working, right? So you have a model thing is important, right? And data, two things are there that is precious right now. Data and model, how you are fetching your data to your model, and how it is able to learn something from that data. And in future, if you ask something from that model, it is able to give you the output, right? So that's all about AI. If you talk about AI, either or machine learning model or deep learning model, that's all actually. That's how all these systems working, right? So the most important thing is here, if I talk about machine learning, just a second. Yeah. So if I talk about machine learning applications or industries or AI industries, you can look in this particular picture. There is no industry, there is no use cases are there which cannot be used in any industry, right? If nothing is there, only computer vision will be there, right? There will be a kind of a system which will be allowing you for the attendance manual, like a facial recognition based attendance system. This is a very good project that is being deployed in so many companies, right? Image processing, natural language processing, that same Chat GPT. Chat GPT is based on NLP. NLP means natural language processing. Diagnosis, speech recognition, bioinformatics, gene expression, medicines, everywhere, object recognition, everywhere it is there, right? Everywhere it is there. right now. So, and you are passing from colleges. So it is like, you can't ignore it actually. Right now, the situation is like that. If you don't know this AI, I don't think you can work, because everything is there. If you want to try to write some code, you can ask ChatGPT and it will be writing some code. But you have to be knowledge to understand that code as well, right? And you have to be knowledge to prompt something. You have to be knowledge to like how to create this kind of a systems, right? ChatGPT is free right now, but it will not be free for further, right? Somewhere they will be charging something. So there are so many companies are there, they are continuously working to create a same kind of a system which can be used for the different sectors, different you can say, like if I talk about medicine sector, so there will be only one kind of a system that will be used for medical domain. There will be only one server that will be working in a different domains, like a medicine domain, or some travel domains, some ecom domains. So there are different domains are there, different servers can be there, different models can be there. So if maybe the rush will be less and performance will be very high, right? So the chances of, you can say, I'm saying you like chances of getting a very good career in AI is so much high, actually, so much high, I'm saying. Okay. So it seems like that was a quick introduction about AI, guys. I tried to, it was only a 30-minute session. So I just tried to cover whatever we can cover. Actually, this AI is not a one day thing or 2 day thing or a 1 hour or 2 hour thing. It is a continuous process. Actually, we have to learn every time. I have been like, I have provided training so many students. I am working on so many projects. I have already worked on so many projects, but right now also I try to learn something day by day. There, if you open archive or some different research papers sites, you will be finding out a new research paper daily, and that will be elaborating you a good amount of information that is being researched using the AI only, right? So that's all, guys. That's all from my end. It was a quick introduction about AI, because I told you like this AI is somewhere a human mind. We can't read it in 1 day or 1 week or 1 month. It is a very long process, and we have to be together to learn it, right? So that's all from my end. If you have any queries, this chat window is open. You can ask me. I'll be responding back to your queries. Thank you so much, guys.
Hi all, hope you're watch the trainings. So webinar. Do you have any doubts? Please drop the chat box so the trainer will be explaining you. So you have any doubts?
So someone is mentioning how difficult to get job in data science as a fresher. So it is not difficult, actually. I'm saying you, it is not difficult. It is very easy, but you have to be clear about 2 things. First, you don't have to let it go, right? You don't have to let it go. Like, you are learning data science in 1 month, and after that you are not able to learn like big algorithms like SVM, like a random forest, like a GBDT. These algorithms are very deep algorithms. You have to give time, right? If you give time, if you continue, if you continue learning these things, I'm telling you, definitely you will be getting job, right? I have seen so many students, they have started this journey, but they don't like they just leave it in between. Don't do this. If you are interested, do it continuously, actually, right? I hope you got your answer. Thank you. Yep,
Yes,
Balika, you have this question that you are working as a lecturer. lecturer, I guess. Okay. And passed out 2013. So that is actually very good thing. In AI right now, the training part is so much, this career in training data science, AI, so much amount of jobs are there. Works are there, right? So you have this much amount of experience in like a teaching, I'm saying teaching. So you can learn this technology and easily you will be getting the same kind of job in any institute, a permanent job or a freelance job, any kind of job you will be getting as a trainer for AI, data science, machine learning, and deep learning. These all things like these all AI is a kind of a engineering only, right? You are doing the engineering on electrical, mechanical, CS. So this thing is same. We are doing some PG or something on that top of that, right? You have to just learn it and you can utilize it in any particular manner, either in job or in training. What is the better technology in AI to learn now? What is the better technology in AI to learn? Like, it is not better actually. It is I told you initially, actually, everyone has their specification, right? When I tell you like machine learning, so they are having the different specification. Deep learning having different applications. So different applications are there. Whatever you prefer, like you are interested towards that, you can opt it. Okay. But jobs are there in each and every domain, right? You can't ignore it. If you just open a LinkedIn and you can search about these kind of jobs, you will be getting a very good amount of jobs are there. How to become an expert in prompt commanding? What are the practice? Siva Prakash, that is practice only. Try to check like different prompts. But I'll telling you, as a learner, don't use ChatGPT. It is a kind of a poison. I'm telling you, as a learner, don't use these things. In our training, actually, we don't prefer students to Google things. Other like Googling things you are getting the answers very quickly, right? And ChatGPT, you are getting more quickly. Okay, so don't do it if you are a learner, if you're as a learner, right? And if you're just stuck somewhere, then you can utilize it. Okay, but if you talk about the prompt engineering, that comes with the practice. As a much amount of prompts you will be asking, but you have to utilize, you have to check like which prompt is giving the best answer, right? That is not predefined. There are some predefined prompts are there. You can find it on Google. Okay. How much we must know to get a job in data science as a fresher? I'm telling you, like it is a kind of you have to be aware of algorithms, maths part, background part, right? You we don't expect a candidate to be a kind of a expert, but at least he or she should have a knowledge of Python, SQL, Pandas, NumPy, these Python frameworks, okay, and some of the machine learning models, algorithms, right? Some kind of a KNN, SVM, random forest, XGBoost, Naive Bayes, these basic algorithms. But if you are mentioning Naive Bayes, it means if I ask you some question, you should have some answer, right? If I ask you, okay, do you know what is XGBoost? And like you can directly tell, okay, I don't know, I am learning this. But if you are mentioning it on your resume or somewhere, you should know. These things are very dangerous in AI actually, because things are very deep. You have to be clear about each and every part. I'm telling you, if you go ahead and learn these things, these are very interesting thing and you will be enjoying so much. How to get different unique answers, right? Like that. Okay, ignore above answer and write a different answer for the above question, right? Different prompts are there for that. They shall prompt in internet. Your thoughts on that? Do you have any cheat sheet for the ChatGPT prompts? ChatGPT prompts are there in the Google. You can just, whenever you Google, just go to the images section, you will be finding out so many prompts, right? Don't buy prompts, guys. That is not worth it. What program is using for AI? Python and R is being used here, but Python majorly we are using because it is having all the libraries and dependencies which is needed to deploy, or you can say to utilize for AI, right? So Python is majorly used. R is also being used, but Python is there. Okay, I hope I I have given all the answers for your all questions, guys. Thank you so much. I think we are good from my end. And if you have something, you can mention on the chat. Python basic is enough, guys. Don't worry about the coding part. Machine learning, deep learning, these things don't need a kind of these kind of like high level programming. That is AI is like, which is better AI? I have given you the differences. It is your job to differentiate what is AI and what is data science, right? Both are kind of a same. Some of the differences are there. Data science means data analysis will be there, and AI means somewhere your human intelligence. More you will be focusing on modeling part. Okay. Data structure will not required majorly, but you just have to be aware only about the time complexity and space complexity. Saga Devan replying to the, okay, thank you so much for the reply. Yeah, both are best because they have different applications and every application is being used in different industries. So whenever you go with AI or data science, it is same. Don't worry about that part. So that's all from my end, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being so much responsive on the chat, and see you soon. Thank you.
Thank you, Himanshu, and hope guys the sessions the sessions was useful to you all. So if you have any doubts, you can also drop the chat box. Definitely that the trainer will clear your doubts. Now I will share you my screen and uh, I will show you our profile. Please watch the video. And also I will share you our profile to you all. Please and if you all see my screen, just and let me know in the chat box. So everyone is seeing screen, right? Yeah, thanks for the response. Yeah, thank you all for your response. Thank you. Okay, well, yeah, first of all, I'm just going to explain you that about us. So what is that AllPro trainings and other details I will explain you that. What is that AllPro training is an online training platform that offers you the technologies trainings and soft skills for students, freshers, as well as the experienced profile professionals to advance their careers. To grow up there also basics to advanced levels we are teaching. So we have the students from the major cities in that India as well as the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, Singapore, and other Europe countries. So our vision is to provide the professional training to more than 100 million people to the worldwide. So that we offer the globally digital trainings that we are offer the following areas: IT courses, all electronics courses, electrical and electronic courses, soft skill courses. So we are what we do that we are doing that individual trainings are 1-to-1, also group wise candidates also taking and giving the trainings, as well as the corporate trainings and the college trainings. So individual trainings also we are giving, corporate and college trainings also we are giving, the supports also we are giving. So individual training, it's like the free webinar overview the technologies that we are attended, and also free e-certificate for all the participate who attend that webinar. So next the flash course, it comes at workshop. So workshops is 5 to 10 hours durations, basic of the technologies we are giving, whatever we possible to cover under 10 hours. Definitely we'll give you that best workshop to you for that particular technologies. So what is the full course? The full course comes at 35 hours course durations. So designed to a clear professional certifications. At the end of the sessions, we are provide the certifications for all. So corporate training. So corporate training is the corporate workforce skill development, IT and non-IT as well. So the mode of training is virtual instructor-led training and recorded videos class trainings. If you want the recorded training also, we are providing. So college trainings. What is the college trainings? The placement trainings. So prestigious colleges in Tamil Nadu and across India. So mode of the training as well as that live online training as well as the campus offline. So why you are going to be choose the AllPro trainings? So learn at your convenient timings. So we are giving your preferred timing trainings. So the practical sessions as well as you clear your doubts at any time with your trainer, and topics to crack the interview session. So designed to clear the professional certification as free mock interview, free resume building, and lifelong community support, and LinkedIn recommendations, recordings all of the classes. If you want any of the classes, if you missed any classes, we can provide ready to provide the classes. So everything will provide you, also the job guidance. So list of the courses is that one. So RPA under Blue Prism, automations, UiPath, Pega. So like a cloud computing as well, AWS, Microsoft Azure, artificial intelligence, and front-end developer, ERP tools. So we can give you each and every technologies under having some kind of category technologies also we are giving. So these are the list we are providing the trainings, offline, online. So online we are providing. So offline as a college trainings only. So the back list of the courses are also I'm just showing to you all. So backend developer, database, automation testing, and CRM tools. So then data analysis, visualization, ETL tools, programming and scripting languages, business analysis, project management, app development, Docker and Kubernetes, DevOps and DevSecOps. Also the data science, firewall, cyber security, Ansible, Sigma tool, Microsoft Office, Pega, AEM also, as well as that soft skill courses, interview, success, and public speaking. If you want any additional courses also, we can arrange and we'll give you the training. So finally, the electrical and electronic courses. So this is the list of courses and the electrical and electronic courses we can provide. If you want any additional rather than this technologies, definitely just tell me know that. Let me know your technologies which you want that training. Definitely we can provide you and your preferred timing itself. So this is that achievement is AllPro training has trained over 25,000 employees worldwide to the date. So this is that our achievement we are going to give the all employees. I mean, their promotions level, advanced level, their career also we are giving. So our clients, these all are handling the clients, Mindtree, Cognizant, TCS, that means Data Consultant Services, Zotworks, Wipro, and Tech Mahindra, Capgemini, Accenture, HCL, Deloitte, the certifications. So this is the certifications we can provide. Also the certification exams cleared also we are what is the way to clear the examinations also certifications also we are giving. So UiPath certificate and Blue Prism professionals and technical architect. So cloud practitioner are the AWS certified. And this is the certifications as well. Again, I'm just going to share. And this all the APT profile to you. I'm just which I have shared you. And let I share you that now. So hope you are all receiving my voice. So can you able to see my screen? Just I'm going to share some feedbacks to you all. So our students' feedback. That means our review. So which I got from the candidate. Hope you are all receiving, you are seeing my PPT here. So this is the student APPYY, the Flexi Capture Working Professional Reviews. They are mentioning, they are giving the wonderful review for us because he is taking the training from us. So next is the RPA UiPath student review. And third one is RPA Blue Prism Working Professional Review from the Tamil Nadu. And is also one more review for you. This is a Test Magic Tool student review. So they are saying, I am very happy to satisfy about the classes of from Ganesh. He's the well experienced trainer, Ganesh. He's very nice and explained the carrying. Thank you for all pro training. And one more review for the Blue Prism domain changing. They are changing one domain to another domain. So that candidate review is this. So next one is the RPA working professional review. So we are giving the training to the working professional also to upgrade their career. So this is the RPA Blue Prism working professional student review. So they are saying the training is worth and was really engaging. And one Blue Prism student review. So the all reviews are updating in our Google. If you want any doubts, you just go through our website as well as the Google review. So this is the Automation Anywhere student review. This is a question QA automation testing student review. This is a C#.NET student review, as well as the Blue Prism, AWS student, Selenium student. In the Selenium student is so changing domain as well as got a very good guidance and support from the trainers. They will definitely recommend to people who need to develop their career skill and switch with a better hike. So this is the Python student review. This is again Blue Prism, UiPath. So SQLDBA student review as well as Java student review. So Blue Prism again. So graphic design. So graphic design student review is this. Again the Anglo. So Anglo student reviewers, one of our student gave a training centers a 5-star rating. So thank you. So this is the USA. So USA student feedback. They are saying they feel like 100% was for the money which he paid. So they are recommend to choose the AP trainings, which means AllPro trainings for the better futures. And is a working professional review. And non-IT guide. And non-IT also we are providing actually. So if you want to switch from the non-IT to IT also we are providing. So there is student feedback and SAP student feedback, as well as Java, Power Automated, SAP, UiPath, again Blue Prism, again UiPath, AWS. So again the UiPath student is Pawan has completed UiPath training courses. It was wonderful and well organized trainings contents. So these are all that our student reviews, which you want to go directly to see all the reviews always available in our websites. You can also go through it. So that next we are going to share you that some guide which we have going to be provide you that. So I will share you that. So what are the guide we are providing? First is the APT 5 forces. That means the ALPO training 5 forces. So what is the 5 forces means? First one is the simple learning methodology. Second one is students recall. Third is the creative explanations. Fourth one, fingertip materials. And fifth is additional bonus. So first is the simple teaching methodology. What is the simple teaching methodologies? What is the AllPro training? AllPro trainings doing to their students. So they are giving 6 sessions. Each session is 75 minutes. So when it's come the first session, it is a 10-minute sessions. So every class revisions and doubt clearance. The second session is 20 minutes for the class topics of the day. So what topics they are giving? So they will take 20 minutes. Session 3 is 15 minutes. So that it will become the students' practice time of the day, today's topics, that day topics. And fourth session is again 15 minutes. Again, they will take their class topics that day of the day. Next it is session 5. Session 5 comes on 10 minutes. That is a student practice time again. So again is session 6. That is a 5-minute students recalls today's class with a trainer. The 6th session, it will be each splitted as like 10, 20, 15, and again 15, 10, and 5 minutes, totally 75 minutes. So 75 minutes we are planned and we are giving to the training to the students and working professional for all the same sessions we are following. So next is the habit loop. So what is the habit loop? So go and routines and reward. So it will becomes under that habit loop. So what is the pyramid? Learning pyramid. So the learning pyramid is split up 3 ways: auditory, visual, and didactic. So what is that? 5% of lecture and 10% of reading and 20% of audio visual, and 30% is demonstration and 50% is discussions with the topics with the other or with the trainer, and 75% what you learning that you have to be do the practice. So it will become the 75%. It will be learning process, and then 90% is teach others. So if you want to learn something, you just teach others. It will be definitely you can improve your knowledge, and whatever you have get it. You just definitely you will get more information about it if you teach others. So next is what is the creative explanations we are giving. So different kind of courses we are giving actually. It comes e-learning. E-learning is using online tools, video, text, or audio. Second is e-coaching, personal training through Zooms or Skype. That is e-coaching. So collab learnings like chat discussions forums. And finally is the virtual classroom. It will be the group and coaching online. So next is OneNotes. So definitely OneNotes we are giving. It will be improved efficiency, greater productivity, say eliminations, and no coding background. It will be OneNotes. It can be useful. It will be very useful to you all. So more productivity, save your time, and save your money, reductions in error, and more information. The more informations, class notes with the pictures, the diagrammatic flow explanations, the whole training text in a single notebook. So these are the more informations about your trainings we are providing. So again is so fingertip materials. What is the fingertip materials? So all materials will be available in the global common cloud drive, including we are giving access through by your email ID, so you can access it every time if you want through by that link. So in with that we comes video recordings, class notes and documentation and software. So the additional bonuses. What is the additional bonuses we are giving from the AllPro training side? Already we discussed in that AllPro trainings profile. So first, free interview session. So free interview sessions we are giving, as well as the resume preparations help and lifelong community support. So professional certificate guidance and job links and getting job via AllPro consultants. Also, we are handling the consultancy. If you want, you can get it job from us. So we are also handling the consultancy. It will easy to once you take the coaching or training from us, definitely we are recommend you, and we are giving the all kind of additional bonuses. The additional bonuses completely free, and that market average salary. When you are coming at fresher, the package is for long. This is the maximum price, I think. It will be not a comes when you're freshers, not it is basic. The minimum to maximum is 2.5 lakhs per year. So if you get any certification course, definitely you will get a more packages compared than the regular packages. So this experience wise, I have mentioned here the packages. So certification course, if you have any certification course in your hand, definitely you will get more package. Much packages better than the current packages. So certification course is more important. So learn something, any certifications which you are interested area. So AllPro trainings here you can learn and become a pro. This is our what is it? The proverb. You just learn whatever you want to buy and get a certification course from us. So next, I'm just going to explain you that offer price. The only candidate, only who. So that AllPro trainings offers you provide you that the full course. The full course is 30 to 35 hours. Already we discussed in the previous discussions. So 35 to 45 hours. So each class will be 75 minutes. Sorry. So each sessions will be and comes as a six sessions that I have already explained you. So the training medium, it will come say either Skype or Zoom. So training model, it will be in 4, 5 or 6 hours. So market price in that current technologies, they are providing 30 to 35,000 per month. Flash course is 6,000 to 8,000. So, but we are definitely not going to provide you that much of the cost because that who benefit that through by the webinar, definitely we are giving the best price and best cost to you all. So next is the AllPro trainings. The regular AllPro trainings price is for AI is for artificial intelligence technologies comes under 25,000 per month, and flash course it will be that 10 hours flash course will be 10 hours flash course will be at the 4,000. Definitely not giving who attend this webinar. The best advantage is who are all attending the webinar, we are going to provide a best offer price to you all, that it will be at 20,000 only for 35 hours. That is also 60% offer. So just think about that. So the offer prices for the who attending the webinar, for those guys only we are going to be provide you that offer 20,000 for 35 hours. That is the artificial intelligence course. Definitely that outside market definitely will not provide you that much of less price. Also we are giving the additional prices and additional bonuses and advantages from us who taking the courses from our side. they are definitely getting best advantages, beneficial, everything they are getting. So plus that additional bonuses, plus this much of the offer price we are providing. Also the flash course. The flash course is a 50 minutes offer that is a 90 percentage. Definitely 999. The 999 for 10 hours for the workshop. So who are all interested, just drop your contact number. Definitely we can contact you and we take up the, because already some people are booked their workshop. So if you are interested, just let me know. Also, we contact you and we guide you how to process and how to register. If you want to register, drop your contact number. We can contact you. So the 999 offer, it will be comes under 15 minutes. Also the next 1 week. So also we are providing that all additional bonuses. Already we discussed that free interview session, resume preparations help, as well as the professional certification guidance and lifelong community support, LinkedIn recommendation, job guidance also, and also we are running the consultancy. If you want it after completed, definitely you will get the job through by the AI. So definitely we are recommend you also. So you can take up the any trainings, not only the AI, so other technology also we're providing. Definitely we're giving it five and these bonuses, but the special advantages who are all taking the training from our side through by the webinar. Definitely they will give, we will give you that offer price, 20,000 for 35 hours. That is a full course, 35 hours full course per day. 1 hour we will give the trainings, and the flash course it will comes under 10 hours 999 courses that also next 15 minutes offer. So maximum 1 hour we are hold your admissions. So please register your admissions here. Also take up the courses workshop here. So next is your special advantages. So through by the webinar who are taking the full course or the flash course, the workshop, we are going to be provide you the special advantages. The special advantage is clear your queries at any time with your trainers. So we are giving the trainings your preferred time. So you can ask your any queries to the trainer at any time. So recorded video also we are giving the cloud access. You can anytime you will take up the recorded videos and you can learn more if you want, if you have any doubts. So daily classes and notes and documentations. So daily class and notes, everything recorded videos also we are updated in the cloud. We give the access, you can take it up. This is a special advantage who are taking the webinar from our end. Sorry, that training from our end through by this webinar. If you want any um, doubts, you just let me know in the chat. I can explain you. And also the salary productions. So the salary productions already we discussed. So maximum is a 2.5 lakhs per year. If you get the certification course from our end, definitely it will be on 5 to 6 lakhs. So this is a salary production certified who taking the certification course. Definitely they will get much and more packages compared than current packages. So definitely don't get so definitely you get a certification and get a good job and with a good salary packages. All technologies we can provide you, and also this one small step can change your life. So take any technologies courses, not even that AI. We are providing all kind of technologies. You will this is a small. So thank you so much for attending the webinar. So and at the end of the sessions, definitely we'll share you the feedback link. So this is our payment link and register. Now once you paid the course, you just let me know. And once you paid the payment for the workshop, just send me the screenshot. We can take up your registration. So hope you all get the feedback form. So if you didn't get feedback form, just let me know. I will share you again. And also you have got our payment link and the feedback form. So the offer is going within 1 hour only. So please register your workshop. Please register your workshop and get the 10 hours flash course. So you have to fill the feedback form very carefully. And also within a week, we will send you the feedback certification through by your email ID. So email ID, contact number, and name is must. So kindly fill the feedback form very properly, as well as So who needs the feedback form? Who need the certificate? Just fill the feedback form. And also, if you have doubt, also just drop your message in the chat box. So if you want to take any admission, you just let me know in the chat. Already have got 2 admissions by chat. If you have any interest, please drop your number. Number. I will contact you. So I will share you my WhatsApp number. Just if you want any doubts, and also if you want to take admission, please contact this number. So I have shared my WhatsApp number. Did you got all my WhatsApp number? So I have shared you here my WhatsApp number. Hope you everyone received my number. If you have any doubts, you want to take up the admission, please contact this number. Also, the offer price is 20,000. 20,000 for 35 hours, and the flash course, that means workshop 10 hours course, it will be 999. So grab your opportunity, take your admission, and have shared my WhatsApp number. Again, I will share you. Please let me know if you are interested. We will take up your admission here itself. So if you want to take immediate admission, also please drop your contact number here. So thank you all. Please take your admission, and you will get the certification within a week through by your email ID. Also, please register your workshop as well as the full course if you want. Not particular in the technology. All technology we are having. If you want any doubts regarding this technologies courses, if you want any guidance, if you want any consultancy, just let me know. We can definitely help you here. So thank you so much for what. My name is Mubin. Thank you, Vishnu. My name is Mubin Banu. So I have shared my name with my contact number. So if you want anyone to register the admission, take your admission, definitely WhatsApp me. And I have shared also that the payment details. So once you paid, let me send me the screenshot so that we can take your admissions, and we'll let you know the further process and further courses. So be active in the group. So next webinar will be announced at the same WhatsApp group. So that 999 opportunity is very useful to all. I hope the 10 hours, definitely please take it up at all, because weekend classes only mostly we are conducting. So everyone will be useful. That one, a working professional student, everyone, it is very useful. So workshop is going to be conducted next week. So please take up your admissions, and thank you so much for who attending the webinar. So this session is very interactive, and hope this is all very useful to you all guys. Thank you. Bye.